Welcome. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to copy a channel link on the WhatsApp app for PC using the latest update. Whether you're managing your own channel or just want to share one with friends, this quick guide will help you get it done in seconds. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your chats and channels. Once the app is open, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see several icons there, your chats, status, and more. Next, click on the channel icon from that left side menu. This will open the section where all your favorite WhatsApp channels are displayed. Channels are like broadcasts where creators or organizations share posts and updates, and with this newest update, everything looks cleaner and easier to navigate. Now, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the channel you're interested in. Once you've found it, simply move your mouse over the channel name. Here's the key part: right-click on it. A small menu will pop up with several options related to the channel. From that menu, click on the option that says Copy Link. Once you do that, the link to the channel is instantly copied to your clipboard. You can now paste it anywhere you want, whether it's in a message, an email, a social post, or even into another chat on WhatsApp. And that's it. You've just learned how to copy a channel link in the WhatsApp PC app using the new update. It's quick, easy, and super handy when you want to share your favorite channels with others. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple guides like this one. Thanks for watching.